Hello, beautiful people, future me. This is another programming workout. Here are the rules. So let's get into it. Start the time. Finish that, we do this. Okay, that's short. And we have 9% and 35. That is really good numbers for me. So let's get into another one. We still have a time. Oh, hash. What is it? This? Oh. Cool. and we have a 5-minute marks we reached. And what do we have? Well, 11 overhead and 35, which I would like to make some graph or something about my progress. We'll see about that. Now we can continue uh, to our endeavor in the CSS tutorial, and the thing I was doing the last was the icons. So we can have a look what is next and created a folder for it. So it is icons, and then we have a links. So I will do links. So directory, and this will be number 16, and links. Create a HTML file with the same name. And I will do the same thing in here. Okay. So the links, they are references to something. So a ref, and then there will be the text where it will let us, and this will be like google.com, and this is a link to Google. Link to Google. And this is something which we will have like absolute link. And we can also do something which will be called a relative link. And we will do that in here. And that would be if I had, for example, file in here, which I'll do HTML, and this will links to links to, and here will be H1. I'll see if I can combine them like this, and here will be an anchor tag reference to links, and the text will be go back to links.html in this directory. Okay, and I guess we are ready to try those, except I don't have the tag for this. So we will go to links to in here, and this will be the link to links to HTML, right? We can do absolute in here as well by maybe placing this here. I deleted all of it. No, I just opened it. Okay. So Control Shift listing, and I want relative path to this. How do I do it? It was like this. Copy reference. No. What about Control Shift C? Control Shift C doesn't do. Control Alt Shift C. Nothing. Copy path. Control Shift C. It is. Okay. I don't know why it did not work. what we will paste it in here, and this is like the absolute link with the entire path, and this is absolute link to, I don't see, to, and that was links to HTML. Alright, that works, hopefully. And we will break line in here and view what we did. So here's a link to Google. I can click on it and it doesn't work because I probably did not include the HTTP thing. So we will do this. Here I will copy the name. Let's see what we have here, and indeed we do have the whole thing. Okay, so this is not that here, and now we will go to Google. We can go back into history. Here is absolute link to links to. When I click on it, nothing happens. And when I click on this, it will do something. So why this one does not work? Probably break some rule I'm not aware of. So this is this, maybe file like this. It does not do anything. And this one works. This one works for some reason. And the other one doesn't. So I can go back and have a look. What did I did wrong? School, CSS tutorial, link to HTML. Okay. I might see the problem. There are spaces. It might be something he does not like. And we'll just leave it as it is for the time being. I don't know. I don't really know how to... HTTPS. Another try. It does something, and then it doesn't do anything. Alright. We can go back. And that is there is to it. Those are the links, which is kind of like HTML thing what I did right now. I just realized. So we should be talking about the style. So we can do a and we can define the style. So for example, text decoration. So we have an underline and we will do overline. Now when we reload it, see that, and also I believe we can change the color. Font color, no, just color. Color, and we will pick, of course, the Cadet blue. I like it, you know it already. And we have it like that. And we will have a look at another thing. That would be the visited and unvisited. If I visit the page, it will have another color. So maybe visited reference. How it was? What was the right word for it? So link. What are the options? No suggestions. Okay. So I don't know. There definitely was something like that. So we will have a look at links. Here is it. CSS can be styled in different ways. Text links, button. Oh, this is nice. Color. That's what we did. Oh, here we go. Visited, hover, active. Oh, that is interesting. So the 4 link states: a link, a visited, a hover, and a active. So that's something. 4 of them: link, visited, hover, active. Link the moment it is clicked. Alright. There are 4 of them. Text decoration, which we already kinda did. Different here. They are modifying the 4 states: the link, visited, hover, and active. There's a background color, and nothing new really. And there's a advanced thing. So they are doing a button in here for link and visited, and they are specifying the background color, the color of the text, some padding in here I see. Text align to the center. The decoration is gone. And display as inline block, which is interesting to me because I did not see it before. So this is the link. Now I click it, go back. Okay. So changes color a little bit when I hover over it. Background color red. It should be like, I don't know, more visible. Here we go. It's ugly. So we will do our favorite color. Bing, bing. Alright, there are more examples and some exercise. So let's see, what did I remember? I'll go back to my project, and there were 4 states. There's a visited, which I remember. We can specify many things, like color, for example. And we will do gray. Gray looks nice. So that is something we can do. And now this one is gray and this one is gray. That's not really visible, is it? So what about brown? This is not brown. It's like red. So settle brown. We do settle brown, and yeah, now it's more visible. So that was visible. And then we have a hover, which I now remember. We can do background color. We can choose a candid blue. What else it would be? Boom. And this one disappears because it's the same color, but we'll keep it as it is anyway. I think like the lavender would might be nice one. Yeah, kinda is. I like the lavender blue or the lavender color. Lavender. Okay, there were 4. So visited, hover. There was active, which we will do background color of green, yellow. So maybe we could see how it changes. Boom. No. Too fast, too fast. So we go back. And if I go boom, boom, boom. Oh, did you saw it? It was for a second, for a split second. There was this lime green thingy. That is cool. I like it. It looks it looks nice. I choose the color well. That's awesome. 20 minutes. Let's move forward. Not here, not here, not here, not here. Hope I didn't catch by my... okay, so we have visited, hover, active, and there was another one. And visited, hover, active. I don't know what the number 4 was. I don't remember. Was it normal? No. Blank. Okay, I have to see. So, link, visited, link. There's a link. Why is here a link? Link, normal, unvisited link. Okay. I would be guessing it's the same like this. Link. And we will do background color and lavender blush. It will be our color. Ba-da, ba-da. Okay, and this is unvisited, unvisited, unvisited. Now I visit it. And it's still like that. Okay, so maybe I should define the visited color. Okay, so those two were visited. And I want background color different as well. And the visited would be light blue. Light blue. Light blue. This one is visited, that one is visited. Okay. Okay. I think that is all we have got. So background color, text decoration. There are the 4 things, which is really, there is all to it, new, at least for me. And there is the button, so maybe we can do the button. We will do the button, we will do the button, we will do the button. And so let's do it in here. In lavender blush as a box model. It was, what was it? Box sizing, box shadow, style, and no suggestions. Okay, so we can do text align to the center. Then we can have a border. Border, and that will be 1 pixel solid, and we will pick some nice color, which is always cadet blue. And now we need to change the property to make it a box, so it will be style, font style, border style, bottom style. I don't remember it. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Text align, there's a padding, background color, display. Okay. Display. Okay, and I did not read what it was. Inline block, right? Inline block. Cool. And let's see how it looks. And we definitely need some padding to have it look as a button. So we will do padding, and we do 20 pixels. Quite generous. And here are our buttons. Okay, they are kind of ugly, but it is a button. Yeah, it is a button. Somehow we can say it is a button. Cool. So 26 minutes, and I think we are done with the links. So the another one is lists, and I believe that might be quick as well, so maybe we can get it in 4 minutes. Who knows? So we will make directory, it will be 17, and it is lists. No, directory 17 lists. Copy. We will do HTML in here with the same name. Title will be lists as well. I'll close the outline and wait a moment. Okay, so I will make a unordered list. First one. First. This will be second. And even. Yeah, like that. And we will duplicate this. Not copy, duplicate, and this will be ordered list. And we will view how it looks on the site. And here are our lists. We will be a little fancy. Or we will be not, because we are right after everything there is. So, body, nah. What can we change? Okay, so another list. There will be some special properties which I have no idea idea about. So let's have a look. So it's links, and you can have a look at lists. So what do we have? There are some dots changed, and there are the numbers changed. HTML list and CSS list properties. In HTML list unordered, we've got ordered, we've got the CSS list properties allow you to set different list item markers. Say different markers for unordered list, ordered list. Set an image as a list item marker. That is interesting. Added the background colors to the list and the list items. So here is like ULA. That is a class, right? Do I remember correctly? It is. So A, B, C. And we have multiple things like list style type, circle, list style type, square, list style type, upper Roman, lower alpha. Well, how the lower alpha looks like? ABC, of course. And an image as the list item marker. So they have some like purple square, I suppose. And they have a purple square as the list style image. Is it called list style image? So list style type and list style image. Always it is a list style and then something. Image or type. We've got so far. Then we have a position of the list item markers. The list style position property specifies the position of list item markers. Bullet points. Outside is outside of the, I don't know, outside the list item. The start of each line of a list item will be aligned vertically. This is default. The list style position inside means that the bullet points will be inside the list item as it is part of the list item. It will be part of the text and push the text at the start. Okay. So list style again, and we have position. And we so far have got list style image and list style what it was type. All right, type image position, and there is a list type shorthand squared inside URL. Those three things: type, position, image. There is a showing list with colors. Nothing new. I just define some colors in here. This one is a little bit more. Okay, so we've got that. So, because we are 2 minutes over the time, this will conclude our session. And next time I will come here. I will try to code from memory. Okay. So please remember, done is better than perfect.